are journeys that cannot be made alone. The study circle gives you that support group, experiences that only through a collective of practitioners engaging together you can achieve. There are experiences that can happen only when you share the space with other people that have the same intention and are looking for the same type of outcome in their life. Through the methodology that we use, we explore also together in collective intelligence and how these collective experiences can boost your individual and personal journey. How can you become yourself, very clear, centered, creative, and follow your own path, and at the same time share a space with other people like you and create together a wonderful outcome. The study circle provides to you also a buddy program. That means that there could be somebody that can help you and be there for you in the moments that you eventually are not able to follow up by yourself and make you be accountable and help you do the steps in the way you need to, because this body has been also in the same type of process and challenges you are now. So we provide this service for you because we believe that humanity is about human connection, and human connection you can experience in community and resilience in a study circle. So we meet from time to time. We have online activities, sometimes activities outdoors in the forest, leisure time, travel. You choose when you want to meet the circle and how long you want to participate. There is always a right time to meet others, and there is always present the need to be with yourself alone, engaging in your own development, in your own future. In my life journey, I have been in such challenging situations. And if I look at my timeline, I realize I have done nothing else but getting into more complex and challenging situations. So if you ask me why, it's because I have learned that I have some resources, tools, methods, techniques, and knowledge that can help me take more challenges and feel fine. And this is a great difference when my first time students come and visit, a workshop or take a coaching session or a training, and I can see the struggle they are, but I can recognize that struggle also in my own life. So I have a life experience, a number of stories and cases in which I can suggest and give example of how these series of techniques have helped me to change my life, but also have the experiences of all my customers and all my partners and friends that have used the same techniques and have achieved special moments, created time windows in their situation to get clarity, purpose, alignment, energy, and motivate themselves to transform their lives. So I would like to invite you today to follow with me my own journey, to communicate with me, to meet me for a private interview. Tell me your story, tell me your journey, tell me your challenges, and I am certain I can find among all the tools and experiences I have something that can be of help for you. After 30 years of developing these techniques and having the research on ancient cultures and civilizations, acquiring all of this knowledge, and enjoying personally the benefits of this knowledge and set of tools and techniques, um, I have no other wish but to share them with humanity. And I believe certainly it will be very extremely beneficial to children of school, to university students, to employees, to purpose-driven entrepreneurs that have to undertake so many challenges all their life, to purpose-driven investors. But at the same time, and this is probably my greatest wish, is that the Matrix School Studio platform make it accessible globally to every household. Not only the experiences and the use of the tools, the sound, the techniques, the body awareness, the creativity, and the exploration that we do on human connection and human competences that technology cannot displace, but the most important thing is that we can inspire multiplicators worldwide. And my wish is that these multiplicators will become an asset in their own family household so that they can transfer the knowledge to the next 9 generations, creating an valuable legacy within their own families for the future. So if you would like to become a facilitator, a multiplicator, I have created a very easy, quick 12-step program that in 12 days you can become a facilitator, a certified facilitator, and you can start tomorrow. And tomorrow you will receive the right content and instructions to start contributing as a facilitator and workshop leader straight away. We will work together to facilitate this knowledge and training. It doesn't matter where you are in the world, what experience do you have, you can join us and become a facilitator of Matrix Q knowledge, tools, techniques, and knowledge. So I invite you again to join us and explore with us all the benefits of becoming a member of the Matrix Q ecosystem and using the Matrix Q Sound Studio platform for your own personal growth, professional development, and success as a purpose-driven entrepreneur.